In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify URL, a crucial step for both beginners and seasoned store owners alike. Having quick access to your Shopify URL can help you manage your store more efficiently, and it's one of those foundational pieces of information you'll need at various points in your Shopify journey. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you are comfortable with. Once you're there, type in admin.shopify.com into the address bar. This URL will take you to the Shopify login page. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Remember, securely managing your login details is crucial, so ensure you're entering them on a secure network to protect your store's information. Now that you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. This is the central hub where you can view your store's performance, manage products, look at customer information, and more. But today, we're focusing on grabbing that URL. So, what you need to do next is to look at the top of your web browser. The address bar at the top holds the key to finding your Shopify URL. For clarity, your Shopify URL is essentially the web address displayed in this browser address bar. You'll see a mix of the Shopify domain followed by some store-specific identifiers. Simply click on this URL once and it will highlight. This highlighted section of text is your Shopify store URL in its entirety. You can right-click on it to either copy or bookmark it for easy future access. By keeping your Shopify URL handy, you can easily share it with support teams or quickly access it for both development and management tasks. It's truly one of the integral pieces of information when you communicate with the Shopify community or any support services that might help you troubleshoot different issues you may encounter. Lastly, a quick tip. It's always a good idea to double-check the URL, ensuring you're on the official Shopify site to safeguard your data and personal information. Scammers often recreate login pages, so always verify the domain URL. And that wraps up today's tutorial on finding your Shopify URL. It's a simple yet essential task, and by now you should feel confident in locating it whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials. They're designed to make your e-commerce journey as smooth as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content about growing your online store with Shopify.